Hi, Sophie. Are you helping your mom? I don't think that's helping. I don't think you're supposed to be throwing stuff. What? Look, what's up there? A birdie?
Yeah. A telephone.
Oh, on the telephone wire. I see him. There he is, yeah.
Yeah. A mule dove.
Dove. Yeah, you're right. Is that what the noise they make? Oh, oh. Sophie, what does the owl do? How about the doggy? You've been doing that for a long time, huh? Oh, I don't know where that kitty cat is. He's around here somewhere.
Over here's some rocks you could put in that bag.
Oh.
These little rocks right here, you could carry them over and put them in this bag. No, I don't want you messing with that stuff. I want that stuff to stay there.
Sophie, go put some rocks in the bags for your mom. See those rocks right there?
Still need to be busted up, and I don't know, your wrist is still messed up, I guess, huh?
Well, you want them smaller than that? Well, let me go get my shoes back on.